y'all be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rob TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I'm a little behind. Alright, I'm a little behind. I mentioned before that I had a few pickups that they've been sitting here for a little bit, and I just haven't got into shooting the videos for them and showing you these new arrivals. But I am a little behind, and I wanted to catch up because I've had this shoe, I want to say I've had it about a month now, just been kind of sitting here. So let's just get straight into it, man. Boom. Nike SB box. As you can see, Nike SB box. Alright. And these are the Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid Edge. Alright. Colorway is white and midnight navy. And the size on these is 14. Alright. Now I prefer a size 13 in Blazers, but I misjudged these. Okay, what happened is I had kind of been eyeing this shoe, and I know this shoe, by the way, breaks my all LeBron 2020. So here's the first non-LeBron pickup of 2020. But I've been eyeing this shoe for a little bit. I kept going to the Nike Plus app, and I'd see it, but it say coming soon. I said, okay, I'll come back. I see it coming soon. Okay, I'm come back. One day in January, it just said, boom, available. So I said, oh, let me go check it out. I went, I looked, I said, you know what? I'll be able to come back and get these later. Ain't nobody checking for this shoe. It's just gonna sit there. All right. So I said, let me pass for right now. I'll come back. They're gonna do like a discount sale or something. I'll get it then. So I clicked out the app. Then I went back and I looked just to check to make sure, and all they had left was a size 14 and 15. The 13 and every other size is gone. I said, oh, and I hit the button. 14, give me the 14. And I got the 14. So, this is a 14. I know I can wear a 14 in it. I just prefer the fit of the 13 is what I was getting at here. But let's go ahead and get into it. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Rob TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These are dope. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Look at the swoosh that goes around there. Whoo! It's that Nike SB Zoom Blazer. The mid edge. Just something about these, man. You see that bottom. That bubble gum bottom. Gum bottom, baby. Something about these, when I saw these on the app, I was like, those are dope, man. These are dope. I don't know what it was. Because normally, I wouldn't like this. I wouldn't like this swoosh. That seems like it's been cut out, whereas this one is here, but this looks like it's been cut out. I normally wouldn't like it, but on this shoe, everything about this shoe, I think this is what caught my eye. That swoosh that goes around the toe box there. Man, it seems like this was supposed to be here. You know what I mean? It seems like this one was supposed to be there like this. And they just switched it up. They did something different. And I think this is sweet. I think this is sweet. And then on the tongue, let me pull the laces out. Normal laces. Normal white laces. On the tongue, you got the double tongue. Alright? You got the double SB tongue. One red, One red, one white. I thought that was a pretty neat touch. Take that out. Let me actually unlace it for you all. Boom. And we are here with the unlacing, okay? Now let's get that undone there so we can really get into it. I heard that this actually can come apart. I'm not about to mess with it. I did hear that. Oh, you just undo. Okay. If you unlace the shoes, it looks like you can take the red one off if you'd like. Or does the white? Oh, the red is the normal one. Oh, okay. Oh, the red is the one that is sewn in. If you look on the bottom here, you look on the bottom there, the red tongue is the one that's actually sewn in. The white one is the extra tongue. Oh, okay. I thought it was the other way around. So if you unlace the shoe, you can take the white top off. Ah, see, I see what you're doing out here now. Okay. All right. You got your little tan hit there, same as on the back with that Nike. Very dope. Very dope. That's like a, ooh, that's kind of a, that's a suede right there. That's a suede. And that is very nice cushion on the inside there, padding. Very nice shoe on the inside. Zoom Air, Nike SB Zoom Air on the inside, if you all can see that. Feels pretty good. But y'all know what we gotta do. We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, this is what I was wearing today. These New Balance, I call these the Hulk Hogan's. New Balance 574. Right here, yellow and the red. Yes, sir. Very dope shoe. Alright, let's go ahead and get these out of here. This is what you came to see, baby. Alright, so I went ahead and I took off the tongue on the other. Here, that is, here's, boom. I took this off the left shoe so you can see that red on there. But on the right shoe, I left it on the double. So you can see the double tongue, white and red. And then on the left shoe, just the red tongue. Which one do you all prefer? Which look do you all prefer? What I didn't mention before is that they also come with blue laces. They also come with the blue laces. I didn't see that before because I didn't take the right shoe out. I didn't think there was any difference. But they do come with the blue laces. Alright? Very dope. Very dope. Boom, you see that outside with the missing swoosh, the stitched swoosh, and then you see on that inside, bam, bam. Very dope. You know what I think they should have done? They should have put, say, this one, the left shoe has the swoosh on the outside, and then this would be on the inside, so that it looks like it offsets on each different shoe. You know what I mean? I think that would have been a nice touch, but as it is, it's still dope. Look at the swoosh that's on top, though. Man, that goes around like that. Man. Man. Nice touch, man. Nice touch. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it on these. Yo, definitely a dope shoe. I don't know which way I want to rock them though. I don't know. I think that looks really nice like that. That looks really nice. It almost looks like an off-white shoe, right? The way that they have these, it almost looks like an off-white. This looks just like an off-white to me. But, I mean, of course it's not, and that's not why I bought it. I prefer a size 13 in blazers. These are just a tad long as far as the fit for me. I didn't mention that in the on feet. I say for blazers, just the way I would recommend for Chuck Taylors, go down a size. Go whatever size you normally wear, go down a size, and that would fit for you. So normally I would get, you know, a 14 or a 13 and a half. If I could, you know, in Chucks I can't get a 13 and a half. So in Chucks I will wear a 13 normally. In any other shoe I'll wear a 14, 13 and a half, 14. But in Chucks or blazers, I prefer the 13. But in those, you know, I had to get what was available. So it's just a little bit, it's like a half size extra in the room as far as the fit. But I make it work, man. I make it work. It's not like it's not like I got a 15. It's just that half size. So most of my shoes are a half size too big anyway. So that's, you know, since I'm a true 13 and a half, most of my shoes are 14. It's a half size difference anyway. But that's what it feels like in these. But definitely dope, man. Blazers. I'm so late into getting into blazers, man. If I would have known about how dope blazers were in, you know, 2013 when I started collecting shoes, I would probably have a lot more blazers. And if I would have just known my way back then, man, I would have mostly blazers and LeBrons right now. That would be my sneaker collection. Blazers and LeBrons. I didn't know my way back then, but I really like these blazers, man. They're dope. They're dope. Should I switch and put the blue laces in and the double tongue? Which way do you all think is the best look? The double tongue with the blue laces, or just leave the white with that red single tongue? Let me know what you all think in the comments below. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way as we get back to the Bron Gang videos. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.